Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation. Okay, start. An agreement was reached and signed by the ministers of the two states in the afternoon of the 90th January 2005. However, as all the details necessary for incorporation in the statutory order to be issued by the central government for the taking over of the undertaking's assets, rights, and liabilities of the Interstate Electricity Board by the new intra-state electricity boards set up by the two states were not immediately available, and it was also necessary to consult Mizoram, which was a necessary party. It was found necessary to extend the life of the Interstate Electricity Board by another 2 months beyond the 20th January 2005, on which date it was otherwise due to stand dissolved. Accordingly, the President was pleased to promulgate on the 20th January 2005 the Northeastern Areas Reorganization Amendment Ordinance 2005, which the present bill seeks to replace. Para. Madam Vice Chairman, I must say that we should take recourse to ordinance to the minimum extent possible. When the situation can be well foreseen, we can make a provision during the continuance of the session itself, and this extraordinary method of promulgating ordinances should not be taken recourse to. I admit that the provisions of this bill are simple. In this correction, I want to make some submissions. Para. Before this reorganization took effect, there were the Assam State Electricity Board, and these corporations after the reorganization. The assets and liabilities should be distributed between the interstate bodies. In this connection, I want to point out one thing to the minister so far as this region is concerned, namely that there should be a coordinated policy, a coordinated power policy, unless and until there is a coordinated power policy, there is no scope of development of this undeveloped area. This undeveloped area is rich in its natural resources. Exploration of power is the most essential and vital thing for the exploitation of the rich resources found within this region. So, unless and until there is a coordinated power policy, so far as this region is concerned, there is no hope of any development of this undeveloped area. Para. So far as my state Tripura is concerned, we are to take power from Assam, or rather from Meghalaya, because in our state the one hydel project that was commenced several years ago has not yet seen the light of the day. Expenditure to the extent of 3 times the actual amount has been spent in this connection, but till now it has not been completed. Stop. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.